Welcome to Kama Residences, where the ultimate in luxury meets the extraordinary in design. This unique 71-story tower is set to feature exclusively designed apartments, duplexes, and penthouses ranging from 2 to 7 bedrooms. At the top of the tower, the gem of the facade is the stunning infinity-age swimming pool, where residents can experience the resort-style life and enjoy the view from the tallest and biggest tower on the Palm.
Inside, the apartments feature chic and contemporary-style architecture with the spectacular views of Palm Jumeirah and the dazzling Arabian Sea. Sky Terrace apartments even come with their own private swimming pools.
Only from 20 million dirhams and an attractive payment plan, owning one of the Dubai's most iconic projects has never been easier. Experience the ultimate beachfront lifestyle at Kama Residences, where the sky meets the sea. Contact me below.